severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, southeastern Harnett County in central North Carolina, northern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, southwestern
that one right there.
County in central North Carolina until 9 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along
There's the warning. It's got a lot of lightning in it. There's one up there, but I don't think it's going to get on WXL-50. If this storm strengthens, it might go into the area, but I have no feeling that it will.
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Lillington, Fort Liberty, Dunn, Benson, Godwin, Pope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Irwin, and Eastover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.